Hey everyone, my name is Steven and welcome to my channel Inventful. I have these headphones, Bluetooth headphones, that won't hold the charge anymore. You can put them in the case, they start charging. But after when they are fully charged, and then after some time, they are completely dead because the battery is completely dead. So my idea is, what I'm gonna try to do, I will open the headphones and then I will remove the battery and then I will connect a wire straight to the circuit that charges the battery, and where the power is going from the battery to the headphones, I will connect a wire straight from there, bring it out, and then I will connect my own battery and charging module. So in that case, the idea is I'm gonna have a wire coming from both headphones going to the battery and to the charging module. So you can just get a knife and then push it inside the slot and then try to pry it out slowly. You might have to push hard. So this is the battery, and then you have wires going from the battery to the charging module. It's all the way inside there, and then from the charging module there are wires going to the speaker. So this one here is the speaker. So I'm gonna remove this battery, and then those same wires, the red and black one, I'm gonna solder to them another wire that's gonna extend all the way out, and then I will use that one to connect to the external battery that I'm gonna use. So I was able to remove this piece here, and now there is a hole that I can run the wire through, and I also removed the battery here, so I'm just gonna connect the wire to these two wires here and then run it out this way. And looking through my cables that I collected over the past 10 years, I can't find a good one. So now I just have to take a good wired headphones and cut the cable from, because I need a tiny cable like this one, and each one of these it got two wires inside that I hate to solder, and I just have to deal with that. I threw so many wired headphones in the past that weren't that good. I could have used the cable from those, but whatever. Alright, so I used different wire that I had. It was thin, and I put it through this hole, and then I soldered it to those red and black wires. I chose the white one as plus and the gray one as minus. So I soldered them together, and then I put the heat shrink at the top. Now I'm just gonna organize the wires. I'm gonna attach this one here. Maybe I use a glue or something. I chose this length, and then after I'm gonna work on the external battery and charging module. And I did the same thing to the other one. So this is what I will be using. I'm using this 3.7 volts lithium battery from Kodak. This is a digital camera battery. I'm gonna solder the wires here. This one is a lithium battery charging module, type C socket, and there are indicators here. These are lights, red and blue. Red is for charging, blue is when the battery is fully charged. And then I will add a latch switch as well. This one, so I can make sure the power is disconnected from the headphones, because with these earphones there is no light on them to indicate if they are on or off, so that's just in case. And you can find these ones on Amazon, the charging module and the switch. And then I'm gonna use a double-side tape to stick them here and the switch as well. And also this one is not so much heavy, but it's heavy enough to keep the earphones snug in the ear. It will pull them down a little bit, but not too much so to the point that it's not comfortable. So it's all finished now. There's just a little bit of organizing. Maybe I put some glue here to hold these wires in place, but now it's all ready. So you can see here the plus is going to the switch, from the switch is going to the earphones. On the other side we have the minus is going to the minus, and then the minus from the earphones is going to the battery. And you can just connect the charger here. You can see red is charging, and then when it's full it turns blue. And I can turn them on from here, and then turn them on from here. Just touch this area and then they turn on. There is nothing indicates that it's on or off, but I can tell from this switch if it's pressed, it means they are off. If it's out a little bit, it means they are on. I'm not sure if I can show you that they are working, but I will try to connect them to the phone, and hopefully the phone can recognize the sound. So as you can see, they are connected to my phone now. And I will pull some music from YouTube and play, and hopefully you can hear the sound. So here I will be playing some music from YouTube. I'll put the volume all the way up. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Now I will turn them off and the sound will start coming from the phone. So you can see how they are working, and let me tell you, the biggest advantage of this is the capacity of this battery compared to the one that was inside. It's huge difference. So let me show you. This one is the battery that was inside of each earphone, and you can see here it says 3.7 volts, 35 mAh, milliamp hour. So this one, I will show you the capacity. This one is 720 mAh. So this is like almost 20 times bigger capacity than this one. And with this one, these earphones used to run about 2 hours before the battery is dead. So now you can imagine with this one, if it's about 20 times more, so they will be running about 40 hours before you need to charge this battery. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. So just a quick update, I added this clip here to the battery, so you can just attach it to your shirt, because I noticed the weight of the battery was pulling down the headphones, so this way is more comfortable. You can move your head and you don't feel the headphones coming off your ear.